Letter to my younger self.
EnglishPods.
From Myclass, your class.
Hi, I'm Kate, and today I want to do something a little different. I want to talk to someone very special, a younger version of myself. There are things I wish I'd heard when I was younger, words that could have brought comfort, courage, or simply a little more light during dark days. So this is my letter to her, to the girl I once was. Maybe it's also a letter to you. Dear younger me, you won't believe how strong you'll become. Right now, I know you're full of doubts. You worry too much about the future and you spend nights thinking you're not enough. But let me tell you, you are. You've always been. Some people won't understand you, and that's okay. Don't bend yourself just to fit into spaces you were never meant to be in. You'll lose people, friends, even versions of yourself. But every loss will teach you something. Pain will make you softer and stronger. Tears will water the seeds of your growth. Forgive yourself for not knowing better before. You were learning, you still are. Mistakes don't make you broken, they make you real. Stop chasing perfection, start chasing peace. One day, you'll look in the mirror and see someone you're proud of, not because you have all the answers, but because you kept going. You'll learn that it's okay to rest. It's okay to say no. It's okay to ask for help. And most importantly, it's okay to change. I know you think love has to be earned, but it doesn't. You are lovable, just as you are. Take the long way, make the wrong turns, follow your curiosity, live fully, even when it's messy. Life won't be perfect, but it will be yours. So breathe. You're going to be just fine. Actually, you're going to be more than fine. You're going to be you, fully, truly, beautifully, with love, me. If you're listening to this and it touched something in your heart, I just want to say your journey is unique, your story matters, and there's still so much ahead. Download the PDF guide for this episode if you'd like to reflect, learn new vocabulary, or write your own letter to your younger self. It's a powerful way to heal and grow. Thanks for being here with me today. See you next time.